Hello guys, I'd like to welcome you to the Symfony API platform with React.js full stack masterclass course on Udemy. And let's take a look at what we will learn inside this course. So you will be learning the API platform framework for the Symfony framework in PHP, and we will see how we can create a robust API, and then we'll create a front-end application in React.js. So before we will get to the bottom of this course, which is the API platform, we will see and refresh our memory about PHP 7, or for those of you who haven't written anything in the most recent versions of PHP, that might be something new you can also learn. So there is an optional section about PHP 7 with basically everything you will have to know, including annotations, dependency injection, the reflection API. So we'll be creating our own application when you will learn all the advanced concepts of the modern PHP frameworks like Symfony. And then the remaining of the course includes some of the topics like the basics of Symfony, that includes routing, controllers, the doctrine models, migrations and fixtures. Obviously it includes the API platform, and you will see how easy it is to create a robust API. We'll also talk about the data serialization and validation. You will see how to create custom API endpoints inside API platform. You will also see how to register a user account. That includes the registration process, logging in, and account confirmation. We'll also touch the authorization, so you will have different levels of user privileges. So some of them would be able to create blog posts, some of them would only be able to add comments, and some of them will be able to do everything, including deleting accounts. Next, we'll also see how we can handle errors and log, and we will work to create a functional admin panel for our API. And finally, we will be writing unit tests and also learning how to write unit tests and the functional tests using Behat. And the final part of the app is the React.js application, which we will create using the Redux. We'll use Redux forms, and you will see how you can communicate with your API. Now let's take a look at what we are gonna create. So first we see the React application that includes the list of blog posts, and it is paginated, so you can go to each individual page. Then you can open the blog posts, and you can see that there is nice loader. All of those blog posts and comments have some description, that who is it created by, when it was created, and also you will be able to log in to create new blog posts or comment on the blog posts. You will be able to log in. Now let's log in, and we can create a brand new blog post. So this includes a validation, so you can see that when we send a value that requires to be not empty or has to have a specific length, you get that messages back from the API automatically, and also the form is signaling that there are errors. So since this expects to be at least 20 characters, let's add it right now. And you can see immediately that we have a blog post without any comments. And let's write a first comment on our blog post. So this also includes animations. So when I'm adding this blog post and adding a comment like this, second comment, all those things are animated. So we'll also cover how to do animations inside React.js. You can also see that my name is displayed here. I am able to log out, so I'll log out now. We will also create a complicated registration form in React.js, and this will, after the registration, users will receive an email with the confirmation link, and the confirmation token, so they will be able to enable their account by clicking a link inside the email or by typing the confirmation token on our React application. The API platform app that we are gonna create includes this docs page where you can review all the endpoints that we will create, and this also includes uploading images and assigning them to the blog posts. So you can also test this through this documentation page, and you do not really have to write a single line of code to have your API documented, because it is included out of the box from the API platform. Also see how to configure a fully working administration panel where you'll be able to see your blog posts, you'll be able to preview them, edit them, or create new and delete them. And this also includes the comments, the users. You can see how simply you will be able to enable or disable a certain user, and obviously you will be able to upload the images. So I'm very happy to have you inside the course. And just a final note, after about 10 minutes Udemy will ask you for the rating. So if you are not ready yet, you can just press that you would like to leave the rating later, or you can always go back to the course and there should be a button on the landing page where you can press the stars and decide what rating you would like to leave to this course, and you can additionally write some feedback to me. So I'm always helpful for all the feedback I'm getting and all the ratings that you will guys leave. This really helps me a lot, so if you will find a second to leave a rating, I will be really grateful. So let's start coding.